Ever wished you could ditch the cash and send money to a friend instantly? Imagine this, it's your friend's birthday, and you completely forgot to get them a gift. Panic sets in, but then you remember they mentioned wanting that new book. No worries. With Zelle, you can send them the money to buy it themselves, all within minutes. Zelle is a super convenient way to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the US. But if you're new to it, setting it up might seem a little confusing. That's where this video comes in. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can be a Zelle pro in no time. First things first, to use Zelle, you need to have a bank account in the US with a participating bank or credit union. Most major banks offer Zelle, but it's always a good idea to double-check with yours. You can usually find this information on your bank's website or mobile app. Here's the cool part, you don't actually need a separate Zelle account. Zelle is usually integrated right into your existing mobile banking app or online banking platform. So, to set it up, you'll be working within your bank's app or website. Alright, let's get started. Open up your mobile banking app and find the Zelle section. This might be labeled differently depending on your bank, but it shouldn't be too hard to spot. If you're using online banking, the process is very similar, just look for Zelle under the Transfers or Payments section. Once you're in the Zelle section, you'll likely be prompted to enroll. This usually involves entering some basic information like your email address or US mobile number and linking your checking or savings account. Your bank might also ask you to create a unique Zelle username or PIN for additional security. The whole enrollment process typically takes just a few minutes. Now you're ready to send or receive money. Here's how sending money works. Select Send and enter the recipient's email address or US mobile number. Make sure it's the one linked to their bank account. Then, enter the amount you want to send and add a quick memo if you'd like, think happy birthday, or for that new book. Double-check everything looks good, then hit confirm. In most cases, the money will be deposited into your friend's account within minutes. That's faster than waiting in line at the ATM. Receiving money is just as easy. Just give your friend your enrolled email address or mobile number, and they can send money straight to your account. There are a few things to keep in mind with Zelle. For starters, there are usually limits on how much money you can send or receive at once. These limits vary depending on your bank, so check with them for specifics. Also, Zelle is only for sending and receiving money between people you know and trust. Never use Zelle to send money to someone you don't know, especially if they're pressuring you or offering something that seems too good to be true. If you receive an unexpected request for money through Zelle, it's best to contact your bank directly. So, there you have it. Zelle is a fantastic way to send and receive money quickly and securely between friends, family, or anyone you trust with your bank details. It's perfect for splitting bills, paying rent to a roommate, or sending a last-minute birthday gift, just like in our example. With Zelle set up, you can ditch the cash and experience the convenience of digital money transfers. Remember, always be cautious about who you send money to, and be sure to check your bank's specific limits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.